Question 36. You created a pipeline that can deploy your source code changes to your infrastructure in instance groups for self-healing. One of the changes negatively affects your key performance indicator. You are not sure how to fix it, and investigation could take up to a week. What should you do? A. Log into a server and iterate on the forks locally. B. Revert the source code change and rerun the deployment pipeline. C. Log into the servers with the bad code change and swap in the previous code. D. Change the instance group template to the previous one and delete all instances. The most appropriate approach in this situation is correct answer B. Revert the source code change and rerun the deployment pipeline. Explanation: reverting the source code change and rerunning the deployment pipeline is the safest and most efficient way to undo the negative effects of the change. This ensures that your infrastructure returns to a known good state, minimizing the impact on your key performance indicators, KPIs, while you investigate the issue. The pipeline will redeploy the previous working version of the application, ensuring that any problematic code is rolled back. Why other options are incorrect? A. Log into a server and iterate on the fix locally. Why not? Logging into individual servers and trying to fix the issue locally is not a scalable or recommended solution, especially when you're working with infrastructure managed by a pipeline. This approach can create inconsistencies and complicate future deployments, as changes made directly to the server are not tracked or automated through the deployment pipeline. C. Log into the servers with the bad code change and swap in the previous code. Why not? This approach would involve manually logging into servers and replacing the code, which is inefficient and prone to error. It also bypasses the benefits of automation and scalability provided by the deployment pipeline, which can lead to issues when scaling or during future deployments. D. Change the instance group template to the previous one and delete all instances. Why not? While reverting the instance group template to a previous version could restore the environment to a previous state, it's an overly complicated and potentially disruptive approach. Deleting all instances might cause unnecessary downtime, and it doesn't address the underlying issue with the code change, making it less efficient than simply rolling back the change through the pipeline. Conclusion: reverting the source code change and rerunning the deployment pipeline is the best option as it restores the infrastructure to a known good state quickly and ensures minimal disruption.